Very good evening, Devdeep.
Very good evening, Sudeep. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. And how are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing good. Locked but working from home.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so good to have a cup of coffee with you.
Yeah, on a virtual coffee date.
Virtual coffee date. That's a new term coined by our expert Devdeep Ghosh. Welcome to this episode of the Pep Talk. Welcome, Devdeep.
Yeah. Hello everyone. This is Devdeep.
Wonderful, wonderful. And let me introduce our expert today to all of you. And let me tell you that we have Devdeep Ghosh, an expert in campus recruitment and onboarding pan India. May I say he's a VVIP for those people who are looking for a job, who are studying in the last year of their colleges, or for that matter, who are thinking how to get a job in 2020 and 2021 and forward. And he is a well-known human resource consultant, EPHRM, IIMC Kolkata, and CSR IIT Kharagpur, MBA ICFA University, certified BEC by Cambridge University, UK, and most importantly, part of recruitment panel of global MNCs and SME and MSMEs pan India. And let me stop here, Devdeep and the audience. Otherwise, my show will get over if I have to continue his profile. Welcome, Devdeep Ghosh, to this episode of the Pep Talk.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Without wasting any of your time, let me ask you, Devdeep, important question. Devdeep, give me some hope. Give my audiences some hope. Are there jobs, Devdeep? Are there jobs?
Yes, there are jobs. There are scarcity of jobs for people like us in the middle level. But for students, there are jobs because no companies can afford to lose out on the war of talent.
That's a good answer, and that is giving me some hope. Let me ask you the second question. Do you really believe that campus recruitment will start at a defined time? And if yes, when, Devdeep, when will that happen?
To campus recruitment for major corporates have already started. I mean, the planning has already started because most of these companies have their online recruitment and onboarding tool which is in place. And there is also a ray of hope. Like many startups have forming this IT-based online recruitment and onboarding services through which the middle level and the SME companies will be using those services. So it is actually for the benefit of the students only.
That's a very nice answer, Devdeep. Let me ask you the second and important question. What will happen when the students of 2021 and 2020, both the years, sit for recruitments in 2021 and forward? What will happen? I'm afraid. Please tell me. Give me some hope, Devdeep.
Sudeep, I'm afraid I cannot be completely agree with you. I mean, I cannot completely agree with you because for the 2020 batch candidates, campus recruitments have not froze during the peak time, that is winters in India. If you look at that, the recruitments have got, I mean, uh, recruitment has got diluted by the end of March, which is by that time the major companies have already hired. Yes, the joinings have been deferred, and the joinings, I mean, most companies have already honored, I mean, promised to honor all the offers which they have made. For 2021 candidates, yes, certainly it is the situation is going to be difficult. Why difficult is because recruitments will happen, but companies will be going to be more choosy this time.
All right, Devdeep. I'm happy. I'm happy to be proved wrong on my show for the larger cause. I don't mind. I don't mind. But my third and pointed question to you: what will happen to the Tier 2 city students who are equally aspiring as the Tier 1 city students to go to those big cities and build a career and a life for them? What will happen to those candidates since they cannot move physically right now?
To be honest, the companies also don't want you to go and sit in their offices because all companies have started online onboarding and recruitment. So they will be giving you onboarding for work from home only initially
Okay.
until May 2021.
That's a very, very hopeful insightful question, giving me a lot of hope. My fourth and final question. My final question: what will be the scenario for the jobs abroad? People who usually look for jobs abroad, what will happen to those candidates?
For the jobs abroad, see, for the European countries, it will be difficult. America has already stopped giving H-1B visas. But for Canada and other companies, as we know that CRS eligibility is going up every day. But at the same time, I mean, it is always advisable for fresh candidates to start looking for jobs in their own country, at least for the next 1 to 2 years. And once the situation normalizes, they can certainly look for abroad jobs.
That's a very pertinent answer, very straightforward answer. So Devdeep Ghosh, thank you so much for being on this episode of the Pep Talk, and to the audience, thank you for tuning in to your favorite show with your favorite host Sudeep Nag. And have a good day. Be well, be safe, and keep smiling. Before I leave, once again, thanking our expert Devdeep Ghosh.
Thank you, everyone. I hope you have got important insights from this. Thank you so much.